I'm back again with another Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys, and I believe I have another new stylist. So I have been going through a few stylists, and I know the last time that I got a fix, they sent me a $200 shirt, and I was like, that is not even anything that I remotely would have asked for. And so I did ask for a new stylist this time, and looking at the preview, I was pretty pleased with the things that she's seen. And I do believe I kept 3 things from the preview. So I'm going to know 3 of the 8 items, and she did send 8 items. So I'm really excited to look at this because the preview was pretty good. The only things I declined were really things I already had and didn't need another one of. So I think she did a really good job with the preview. So I'm excited to see what's going to be in the box. So let's get started unboxing this newest Stitch Fix. I feel like most of you know what Stitch Fix is, but just in case you don't, it is a clothing subscription service, and you do have 3 days to look through everything that they send you. You have a personalized quiz. The $20 styling fee does go toward anything that you do purchase from the Fix, and I do have a referral link in the description box, and if you are new to Stitch Fix and want to try it out, you can click on that and you will get $25 off your first box. It also gives me $25 off one of my upcoming boxes as well, so we help each other out to create some new wardrobe pieces. So this is what it does look like inside, and it does look like there are 2 bundles in here, so I'm not going to be able to pull out just one bundle because there are 8 items and they are fall winter like items, so they're going to be a little bit thicker. You do receive a pre-labeled package to send anything back you don't want, and it looks like there's a Hello Fresh coupon. So it looks like here's one bundle, and here's the second bundle. So a lot to hold in my hand at one time. So let me set the box down. Okay, so here's a better look at the bundles, and I am so excited because I love these colors that I'm seeing in here. I'm gonna set one bundle down and work on this one at a time. So I went with the smaller bundle first, and at the top is a really beautiful green color, and this feels really nice and soft. It has a waffle texture to it. This is from Pink Clover. So this is really nice. I think it feels really good and soft. It's a good color. This is one of the greens I can wear. The olive greens don't really look as good on me, so this darker green's a little bit of a better color. So you can see a little bit of a longer style, really nice. It's more of a medium gauge sweater. And then this feels so good. This looks like a denim coated, which I love. So this is from Liverpool. It's the coated denim zip front jacket in black. So yeah, I think this was one of the things that I kept from the preview. The preview was a couple of weeks ago, so I can't really remember, but I love Liverpool. Usually their jackets are nice and stretchy, and I can tell that this one is too, and I love that denim coated look. It just gives it that leather look, but it doesn't have a stiffness to it, so I love this. This is something suede. So this is from VERO MODA. It's the Faux Suede jacket in burgundy. So this is a longer style faux suede jacket. We'll see what this looks like. I love the color. I love a faux suede, but not sure about the longer length. We'll have to see what that looks like. And then here are a pair of jeans, Indigo 6, and seamed wide leg jean in olive. Now, olive is a color that doesn't really look as good on me, but we're going to see what it looks like maybe with that burgundy up at the top, and it might look a little bit better. But I'm pretty sure I saved these Indigo 6 in a burgundy color because they gave me one of those AI generated looks, and I really love that look, and I actually had suggested to kind of give me some items around that look because I think the jeans were actually sold out. But I really like those, so I think she just tried to give me a different color in that same style of jean. And now let's just go ahead and open up the other bundle. And this feels really nice at the top. So this is I think it's the Shona. Again, it's got the lines through it. Sherpa sweater jacket in navy. And this, I think, was on the preview as well. So I really like this in person, too. This feels really good. And this feels nice, too. This is from Pale Sky. It is the cropped suede jacket in teal green. This was another thing on the preview. So this, that navy Sherpa that I just showed you, and that denim coated Liverpool, those were 3 things from the preview that I kept. And I was just really impressed with her preview. So I love this color, and this is that faux suede. And then this is something that looks like a corduroy. So this is from AVLN Studio. I've never heard of this one or gotten anything from this one. The Eva Corduroy Cropped Shacket in Espresso. So this is actually similar to a look, an AI generated look that they had sent me as well. So I think she has done a good job of trying to recreate some of those that I have liked on the AI. And here's a pair of burgundy bottoms. So I guess since she couldn't find those jeans that I had requested, she tried to send me something else in the wide leg. So this is from Travel. I love Travel. Pull on wide leg pant with front pockets and button detail. I am confused. This is indigo, and I thought indigo was more navy. It says indigo. These look burgundy to me. So that's all the items, and now let's go ahead and try everything on. I'm gonna read her note, see if she suggests any pieces to put together to create some outfits, and I will go along with what she said. Okay, so here's the first look she suggested. So this is that faux suede jacket. It does just have a hook closure, no buttons or anything, and there are side pockets that are stitched right now, so I'm not gonna unstitch these until I decide whether or not this is what I'm gonna keep. The sleeves are a little bit long, which is normal. There's no lining on the inside. It's nice and lightweight. I'm not sure if I like the longer style or not. I usually tend to like jackets that kind of hit at the hip, not longer, because I feel like I'm petite. The longer they are, the shorter I feel in them. So I'm not sure about that, but I do love this color combo together. And she suggested to pair that sweater under it. So this is that deep green with the olive pants. This is a nice sweater. It doesn't quite have as much bottom coverage if you're wanting to wear it with leggings, if you're still wearing leggings. It is a really nice feel. I'd say it's a medium weight. It's got that waffle texture, as you can see, slits on the side, so easy movement. Then the pants are really nice. They do have a button zip closure, wide leg, and I feel like they are a really good length. They are kind of skimming right there where they need to be at the floor. They're just touching the floor, so really good length for flats. And they have a nice relaxed fit, which I need for the bigger thighs that I have. So the faux suede jacket is from VERO MODA, and it is $85. And then this sweater is from Pink Clover, and it's $49. Then the pants are from Indigo 6, and they're $49. So she suggested to put the cropped corduroy jacket with the olive pants. I do like the brown and olive combo. I just kept that same sweater on but tucked it. Since this was a more cropped jacket, now I like the fit of this jacket. It's a snap front, no button front, so it's real easy. And then it's got a soft corduroy texture to it. So I do like the length. And these pants, I'm really loving these pants. This wide leg pant, even though I said olive is not really a color that I go to because it's on the bottom, I feel like it evens it out a little bit more, and I like that darker green at the top. I do really like this corduroy jacket too. So far, the only thing I haven't been liking is that longer style suede jacket, just because it's a little bit longer than what I like. So the jacket is from AVLN Studio, $55. So this is a jacket, but I did not put a top under it, so I am leaving it completely snapped. So this is a snap closure as well. This is a faux suede, and it's really pretty, almost like a teal color. I love this color, and I love this color with the burgundy. So these are those tribal pants. So the last pants that I shared with you were actually a denim material, just in an olive. Really like those. Now these are just a pull-on style, and they have this button detail right here, and they are a wide leg, which is what I really like. They do have pockets, but the pockets are sewn right now, and I like the length of these. I like this two-color combination together. These are super comfortable, but I can't tell if they're too big, you guys. Do they look a little bit baggy? I'm trying to decide if they're too baggy here in the front, but they are that really nice pull-on style, and they're just comfortable. They feel really good. So the jacket is from Pale Sky, the cropped faux suede jacket in teal green. This is $90. The bottoms are from Tribal, pull-on wide leg pant with front pocket, $79 for the pants. But I do love this color combination together. And then I'm just gonna leave these pants on and try on the other two things. Okay, so I love burgundy and navy together. I think this looks really nice. This Sherpa top is a little bit different than I expected. A lot of times with the Sherpas, they are thick, but they're lightweight. This is kind of heavy feeling, which is nice because it's gonna be super warm, and it feels like it's a really good quality. So this is a little bit different. I'm gonna show you the up close. You can see that really nice Sherpa on the inside as well, so it feels just as good on the inside as it does the outside. Ribbing on the bottom of the sleeves. It is more of a fitted style, but I love this outfit together. I just love this color combo so much. So this top is from SEREIN. I always get that name mixed up, and nobody tells me whether I'm saying it right or not. But I have gotten a lot of stuff from there that I've really enjoyed. And surprisingly, this is $59. So this is the Sherpa sweater jacket. Okay, so this is that Liverpool jacket. I had no doubt I was gonna love this jacket. So it has a great stretch to it. So you can see all this stretch. And I'm sure this is gonna be a little bit pricey because it is from Liverpool, and Liverpool is a little bit pricier, but Their stuff is really good, you guys. I've got jackets from 5, 6, 7 years ago that I've hung on to from Liverpool because they're so good. So it does have a zipper detail at the bottom of the sleeves, and I really like that. It has that racer jacket style, so you have like the little button here at the top. It is a zip front. There are side pockets, lots of stretch, you guys. But if you can see that, it's got that denim coated look. Denim coated look, but a lot of stretch, which I love so much. So I love this jacket. I really don't think there's anything from Liverpool I don't like. So this is the coated denim zip front jacket. It is $129. I knew it was gonna be a little bit pricey because it's Liverpool, but I got 8 items in this box. The total's $5.95. If you keep at least 5 items, so you don't have to keep everything, just at least 5, you get 25% off, which would take $148 off, which would be like getting this for free. And then the $20 styling fee, take it off. The total would be $426.25. So that's before tax, and we have 10% tax almost here in Tennessee. That's not bad for 8 items. If you figure it out, 8 items, $426, that averages out to be a little over $50 per piece, which is not really bad, especially considering that I've shown you some wantable boxes that are ridiculously priced. So I think that she's kept this pretty budget friendly, and even in the letter to me, the note to me, she said that she was trying to keep things more budget minded and avoiding prints and extras as requested. So I really do like that. So I do have a new stylist. Her name is Tammy, and I think she's done a really good job. For this to be her first time styling me, I think she hit it out of the park. She got almost everything that I like. So the 3 things that I had kept from the preview was this denim coated jacket, which I'm definitely keeping, that navy Sherpa jacket, sweater jacket, definitely keeping it. It was really nice. And then the like teal color faux suede cropped jacket. I loved it too. I thought it looked really good with these pants. So I'm definitely keeping the 3 things that I kept from the preview. And then as far as everything she added, I really like these. Guys, just tell me, do you think these are bunching too much in the front? I think they're in a size 8, which is true to size, and I haven't lost weight for sure. Yeah, they're in a size 8. So I don't know. What do you think? They're comfortable, but I just don't want them to look too baggy in the front, and they're a great length. So I really love this. Love the jacket. Love the Sherpa. Love the teal faux suede, and I really like the olive jeans. I thought they were really comfortable as well. The waist was nice. It was a button and zip front. I do like that cropped corduroy chocolate jacket, or it's more like a coffee color. And then the long burgundy faux suede jacket was nice as far as the whole look together that she had suggested, but I don't like that longer style because I think it just kind of cuts off my legs and makes me appear a little bit shorter. That's just my opinion. I don't know. But I feel like when I do like the longer cardigans and things like that, I kind of stay away from them just because I think it makes my legs look a little bit shorter than what they really are. Because I'm 5'5". I've never considered myself to be petite, but I buy petite in pants now. So I don't know. Actually, I think I could find 5 items in here that I would like. The only thing I really don't care for and may send back is that burgundy jacket and the green sweater. Everything else I love, you guys. So let me know what you think about this box. For this to be the first time Tammy is styling me, I think she did a really great job. I think she listened to my request, what my notes said, all my saved items, and I think she did a really good job. I am so excited about this fix. It's been a while since I've been this excited about a fix, and I'm really torn on whether to keep everything or what, but I do like that I have the option of just picking 5. So I can send 3 things back and still get that 25% discount. And like I said, the 25% discount, if I kept everything, was $148. So that pays for this. Let me know what you think about this fix, you guys. I'm excited about this one, and it makes me excited for the next one that she might style for me. So I would love to hear your thoughts, what your favorite piece was. If there was something that you didn't like that I liked, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. I have seen that only 19% of people that watch my videos are subscribed. So I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button if you like videos like this. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.